Hi everyone, welcome to Scrappittarius on YouTube. I have a Happy Meal project share today. This is going to my friend Tessa in the Netherlands and it's her birthday. I hope it makes it on time for her birthday. But along with flat mail, I have thrown in some goodies for her as her birthday present, and which is why this envelope is so fat. And these are gorgeous postage stamps from India Post. There are some more on the back. My address is on the back. Let's get in. It's a bit of a tight squeeze. Okay, there we go. So let the envelope be here. This is her present. I'll show you this at the end. These are some goodies. I originally wanted to pack these in a nice mini hamper, but the envelope just wouldn't have enough space for that, so they have to go in like that. This is the mail. This is her birthday mail. It's a vellum envelope. Incidentally, I happened to find a set of vellum themed birthday themed vellum papers on a website, and the same website also had these birthday themed stickers. You'll see more of these in the mail. So it's a flip book. It's, I think, 5.5 inches wide and 6 inches tall, and I have two mini washi samples here. Tried to match the colors. This is some foil washi, and these are stickers from the same sticker sheet. And that's the back. This paper, this beautiful floral watercolor floral paper, is from Itsy Bitsy Craft Store. And let's get in. Okay, sorry, I didn't realize I had sealed it. There we go. Okay, managed to untie this. This is some satin ribbon, and then we go in through here. That's a sticker, and I haven't used the sticker as such. I've just stuck it here with some washi tape so she can remove it and use it for maybe another birthday mail that she makes. And that's the first page. Let me carefully open this, or maybe I'm just going to let this be. Inside I have a Project Life card and her letter, and that's the vellum pocket, birthday themed, and a grommet here, but I couldn't manage to set the grommet on this side because I had already adhered the pocket, and my crocodile wouldn't go all the way. This here, there's a this is the second time I'm filming, so I'm a little worried if I take things out too many times, I'm going to spoil them. So I'm not going to remove these doilies, but two heart-shaped doilies folded in, and that's a set of stickers I made her. These are some florals, and there's one more set of stickers, and this is where I've written some answers for her, and she can also use the Project Life card. This is a crystal themed postcard. I know Tessa isn't very fond of postcards as snail mail presents, but this one I felt like she could use for writing a note to somebody. I haven't written on it. And this is our little game, tic-tac-toe. I made her two altered index cards for her journaling, like if she wants to journal what she did on her birthday. And this sticker also can be reused. I've not adhered it as such. I'm gonna put them all back here on the video itself because I don't want to lose track of things. All right, now this goes here. Cool. Now moving on to the next page. This is another washi sample. So I made this washi sample to match the colors in the flipbook, and then I remembered that I had gotten some foiled washies specifically for her mail. So then I made another sample with those. Minty color, that's a side loading pocket with some memo sheets, and let me show you the sheets. That's how they look. That's a crystal themed, and then that's hearts, sort of a Valentine theme. Sorry. And some rose gold paper clips and bits and pieces of Project Life themed stuff. Let me get these back in the... Oh, these are stickers, by the way, crystal themed. So there's a stationery store here in India who's started a monthly subscription for snail mailers, pen palers, bullet journalers. She makes a set of stationery items on a theme every month, and her theme for January 2021 was crystals. So that's where I got the crystal memo sheets and the stickers. The stickers are very pretty. Okay, there we go. Sorry about all the fussing around with the stuff. And then that's the last page. It's a pretty quick one. That's again from these are from VR Memory Keepers. This is part of a Project Life kind of scheme. I think it's called Snap It cards or something like that. So this is one, and then I have these two that I want to include. So this is what it says. Remember this, I felt these could suit her birthday journaling. And then bloom where you're planted. That's a quote I really like. And this is a slightly bigger sticker pack with some dream catchers, some birthday themes, crystals, and doodle hearts. These are some more memo sheets, a Project Life card. I don't happen to have too many Project Life cards, but I know Tessa likes them, so I just got this in the mail and I'm sharing it with her. These are some doilies on the theme, on the color theme that is, and these will go in with the stuff. And then that is the vellum pocket, and that is the paper that I used to line it. Put it all back in. If you are an old subscriber to my channel and you're wondering if I am no longer making junk journals, don't worry, I am making junk journals. As earlier, I still release collections occasionally through the year because I work in terms of collections. I don't make a single journal at a time because the way my craft setup is right now, well, or the lack of a craft setup, I would say, it just works out easier for me to take out stuff on a theme and then finish maybe 2-3 books over a few months and then put everything away and then take out supplies for a different theme. So I do have a spring collection coming up. Please stay tuned. I'm going to share that very, very soon. I'm just adding some finishing touches to it. It's something I've worked on for months, so it's really, really special. Okay, that was the last page, and that's the back. I like how simple and pretty it is. The papers really did not need much work. Let me set this back, and I'm gonna tie this up later. I made a tiny tag with her name on it, and I love this one. Cute, right? Okay, what else? Okay, so this is the stuff that's gonna go into the envelope: some candy, a candle, a sheet mask, etc. Some chai premixes, and then this is something I put together for her as her birthday present. I don't think I'm going to take it all out because it's kind of fiddly and difficult to put back together. I added some zippers because I read on her Swapbot profile that this is something she uses a lot in her sewing. And then I know she makes rag dolls and doll dresses. I felt she could use some of these fabrics for that. So I made her four fabric pre-cuts. I wish I could add more, but my envelope is bursting at the seams. So this is all the stuff I put together for Tessa for her birthday mail. I really hope she likes it. If you liked it, please leave me a comment. It will mean a huge lot to me. And please subscribe. I'll be sharing more snail mail and junk journal videos. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye.